Hi everyone, today I'm gonna draw Patrick from Spongebob Squarepants. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. I'm gonna draw his right eye first, so I'm gonna draw an oval shape like that, and then another oval shape inside of that, and then I'm gonna fill up that small oval shape. And then for the left eye, I'm gonna draw slightly off to the left the same oval shape, and then with a small oval inside of that. Okay, now I'm gonna draw from this top corner of his left eye and draw upwards a curved line, and then I'm gonna do a semicircle for the tip of his head, and then draw continuously downwards a curved line and go outwards. Okay, now below the left eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and outwards up to the tummy and his pants, like that. Now for his left arm, I'm gonna start from this point and go upwards with a curved line, and then I'm gonna turn it back with a curve and go back towards his body and stop there. Just right offset beyond the point that we just stopped, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the back of his body and go downwards and continue that to here. And then for the right arm, I'm gonna draw from this point and go outwards a curved line, and then turn it back in the steep curve and go back. Okay, and for his mouth, I'm gonna pick this point and make a curved line towards this side of his face, and then I'm gonna do a short curved line here like that, and then at this point I'm gonna do downwards a curved line towards the front of his face like that, and in between these 2 points I'm gonna draw offset inwards and do a curved line like that. And for his tongue, I'm gonna do 2 curved line 1 and curved line 2, and then in front of his tummy, from that point I'm gonna draw a curved line and go to the back and downwards like that, and to the back and stop there. And then at this point I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and stop, and then from this point I'm gonna do a curved line as well and stop, and then from those 2 points I'm gonna connect them with a curved line like that, and then just slightly off from the sides of that corner that we just made, I'm gonna do a line downwards and turn it back up, and that's the left leg. And then I'm gonna do another side of the pants and do a curved line downwards, on this side and connect the 2, and then I'm gonna repeat the same shape of the leg, downwards, turn up and go up. Okay, and then just right below his belly I'm gonna draw a curve across his tummy like that, and then another line offset below of that curved line all the way from the front to the back. Okay, I'm gonna draw two curved lines for his belly button, one over here and then another one right here. Okay, and then we're gonna draw some details on his pants. So I'm gonna draw a flower shape like that, curve and curve again, and then another one at this side, and draw a floral pattern again, curve and curve like that. And then for his eyebrow, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line. How you gonna draw the letter Z? So you're gonna draw a letter Z on top of his eye here, like that, and then the other one like that. Okay, and I'm gonna draw some dots or a short line randomly on his body, one over here and then one below the mouth, and then one here, another one there, one on his arm, and another one here and one here. So that's it for Patrick. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.